Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Create a 6-week study plan that divides topics into daily 2-hour blocks with 45-minute focus sessions and short 10-minute breaks. Start week 1 with fundamentals, basic physics, chemistry, and biology concepts, then add applied topics in weeks 2-4. Use one reliable Group D science book and 2 online video series for alternating explanations, and collect 100 past questions to practice methods. Keep a dedicated notebook for formulas, definitions, and 3-4 sentence summaries for every chapter to speed later review. Form study groups of 3 to 5 members with complementary strengths and fixed weekly schedules, meeting at least 3 times per week. Run 90-minute weekly mock tests, followed by 30-minute group review and 15-minute focused topic rotations, so mistakes are corrected immediately. Use teach-back cycles. One member teaches for 20 minutes, peers ask questions for 10 minutes, then the next member teaches a different topic. Rotate roles so everyone practices explanation, problem-solving, and quick recall under mild time pressure. Reserve the last 2 weeks for intensive revision with daily 30-minute quick reviews of 1-page summaries and at least 2 full-length timed practice tests per week. Practice at least 100 past questions under timed conditions, identify recurring topics, and make a short list of formulas and facts to memorize. In exam week, prioritize sleep of about 7 hours, eat light meals, arrive early, and use a calm 15-minute pre-exam breathing routine. Focus first on easy questions, allocate time per section, and flag hard items to revisit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.